Hey everybody, welcome back to KK's Quilt Studio. This is Marilyn. Do you own an electronic cutting machine? I own a BrotherScan-N-Cut and work with their software Canvas Workspace or Canvas, and I want to show you how you can integrate that with ProStitcher Designer. Now I'm going to demonstrate the BrotherScan-N-Cut because that's what I own, but if you own a Cricut Maker or Silhouette machine, you can interact your files with ProStitcher Designer with just a few changes. So we're going to talk, of course, about the BrotherScan-N-Cut today. But if you have any questions about today's video or any of the other videos I've done on ProStitcher Designer, feel free to contact me at kksewz@kksquiltstudio.com. I love hearing from you, and you've all had some great questions about previous videos I've done, and keep them coming, because I'm always looking for new suggestions on how I can come up with a new video and help you get the most out of your ProStitcher Designer. Hey, we also have a new Facebook group that's growing by leaps and bounds, ProStitcher Designer Diner. So if you're on Facebook, look up that group and join us today. Just answer a few simple, short questions and you'll be on your way. And if you don't do Facebook, never to fear. We have a message board called groups.io. That's groups.io, not .com, not .org, just groups.io. Once you get to the site, do a search for the Digital Quilting Bee. Now I've spelled it out here, but it is all one word, all together. But I want you to see what that is. So look for Digital Quilting Bee. And like always, you can contact me through my website at kksquiltstudio.com and learn about the other paid classes or other things of interest that I have on my website. So let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is go into the Brother Canvas Workspace, because that is what works with my machine. Your software may be different if you want a Cricut or a Silhouette, but they've got all these great projects that they provide for us, and you can find similar ones in the software associated with your machine. But I'm going to go down. And aren't there a whole lot of great ideas? I'm going to go down here, and because it's January, I'm going to grab this snowflake design, this frame. All I want is this snowflake here, so I'm just going to click on that and then close that, and there is my snowflake loaded on my design. I'm going to go ahead and leave it just like it is and not do anything else to it. I'm going to go up to File, and we're going to export, and I've already named it and saved a file, and I'm going to export it as an FCM file. And you say, well, wait a minute, that's not an SVG, or it isn't a HQF. How am I going to open that in ProStitcher Designer? That's okay. Stay with me. And I've already saved this, but go ahead and click on Save, and I'm going to cancel out of this because we already have it. Okay, let's go over to ProStitcher Designer. Now you can bring that design in one of two ways, because ProStitcher Designer reads FCM files. So you can either go to Home and import artwork, or you can go to File and import artwork, or you can go to Home and open a file. And remember where you saved it, so this is the same folder. There's that snowflake, and go ahead and open. So there's my snowflake, and you'll notice that it is just artwork. It's not assigned stitches yet. So if I go over to Preview, nothing there, nothing there. If I go take a look at the size, if you want to change that, go ahead and type in a number. Make sure that your maintain aspect ratio is checked so that your design stays the same size. If you click on this, you'll see that it is artwork, so we need to assign stitches. So I'm in the Preview tab, I'm going to click on the Stitches button. That assigns stitches. 1233 gives me the information up here, and I am ready to stitch out. So in less time it took me to explain to you, you can have another beautiful quilting design just by selecting some of the great artwork that comes with your scan and cut machines. In future videos, I'm going to tell you some more things you can do with this fabulous snowflake, so stay tuned. So don't forget to contact me through email or through my website. So I hope until we meet again, you have happy stitching. Thanks, everybody.